my homies, it's Delicia. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm sharing 3 date night ideas at home to share with your gal pals, your bestie, your boo, your kids, just anybody you want to love on. All ideas have been tested and approved by yours truly and my hubby. So let's jump in with number 1. Idea number 1 is to have a paint and sip. If you've ever gone to a paint and sip, you know it's a professionally led paint class with drinks provided, or some allow you to bring your own. The admittance price can usually range from $35 and up per person. To duplicate a more affordable option at home, here's what you'll need to get started. A tabletop easel, canvases, paint brushes, obviously paint, some cups to hold the brushes, as well as cups of water to clean them. And we can't forget your favorite drink of choice. I ran over to Michael's to look for available necessities for my paint and sip. They had everything I needed, but I wanted more affordable options for all of my viewers. So just to let you know, when things aren't on sale at Michael's, or if they are at retail price, you can always take advantage of their coupons. They have various sizes of canvases. They have paint palettes and all of the brushes that you'll need. But I also ran over to the Dollar Tree, and this is actually where I got my things. The quality is a little bit different, but it still works. There's an unlimited amount of images online that you can search for download, whether it's on apps like Etsy or Etsy.com, or you can even Google free images to print right at home. Once you have your image that you want to paint, you have to transfer it to the canvas. I'm doing it the old school way with a regular pencil, just by flipping the image over and using the lead of the pencil to scribble, and then it looks like this. Just to cover myself, for any artist that wants to come for me, there's tracing paper available and graphite paper or graphite pencils, but this is just the way that I did it. Once you're done, you just tape the image to the canvas so that it doesn't move. Apply pressure to it. It doesn't have to be an actual pencil with a lead, just something to transfer the image to the canvas, and this is the way it looks when it's done. To ensure that the transfer image wouldn't budge or smear before painting, I applied this Liquitex medium with a sponge brush to do the job. An important reminder for all of these ideas, especially if you're a perfectionist, leave perfection at the door. The idea is to have fun and make memories with those you love. Idea number 2 is chocolate covered strawberries and 20 questions. I already have a tutorial for the strawberries in a Valentine's Day video that I posted in 2022, so I will link that in the upper right hand corner in the cards as well as in the description for you. I did them a little bit different this year, but it still works the same. This idea is better without technology, no TV, no cell phones, just you and your special person or people. But background music will create a vibe. You can make these strawberries ahead of time by yourself or with your special person or people for bonding. Next, you'll need written or typed questions for conversation topics. You can either make up your own or you can find tons of them online via places like Pinterest or Google. This is a fun way to find out more about someone you thought you knew everything about. The third idea is a movie night. Grab all of the things that you think that you and your special person or people will enjoy for a great movie night at home. Back in the day, we used to go to the Dollar Tree to find all of the theater-sized candy that we wanted. It's been a little bit harder here lately that I found. So all of the candy that I found, I got from Target. We also made nachos and hot dogs, things you'll find at the movies. We just had a really fun time doing this together. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to tap the thumbs up to let me know. And to see more home life, home decor, and shop with me videos, click on my face on the screen to get subscribed and tap that notification bell so you won't miss out. Thank you all for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.